your girlfriend?
It's my daughter.
Wife.
You should be so lucky.
Hey guys, it's MJ and Izzy from Endless RVing, and today we are bringing you the best of the 2020 Tampa RV Show. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to please subscribe below, and if you already are subscribed to the channel, welcome and thanks for joining us again.
So in this video, we're going to show you some of our favorite RVs. We're going to share with you some of the great YouTube channels as well as subscribers we met, and also all the other festivities that went on at the Tampa RV Show. So stick around because you're not going to want to miss it. Behind me is the Newmar Supreme Aire 4573. This is Newmar's Super C 45 footer.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. No, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little
All right, so we're outside again. This is on the Freightliner M2 chassis. All your motor and stuff, it's going to be right here up front. So being that it's a truck chassis, this is going to give you the protection like you're in a real truck, you know what I mean? Also, very easy to work on. The mechanics are going to love this versus having to get in the back. So think about that.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. No, we run the
We're going to take you on a great walkthrough right now of the 2020 DRV Mobile Suites 44 Santa Fe. are about to take you on a tour of Tiffin's most expensive diesel Class A motorhome, the Tiffin Zephyr. You're not going to want to miss it.
Alright guys, so we're up front. You can see the nice fiberglass front. You're going to have your generator right behind here. I'm not sure what it is. It's probably going to be at least a 10,000 watt only, if not more. You have the cabin storage right here.
Thanks so much for watching, guys, and sharing our experiences with us from the Tampa RV show. It was really a great time. Now make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit that bell so you get notified of our upcoming videos. Over the next few weeks, we will be releasing a ton of videos ranging from RVs that we saw, very budget RVs, all the way through multi-million-dollar Class A motorhomes.
Including several private tours with factory reps. So for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.